Not to make you like uncomfortable or anything, but I do think you're cute.
Weird enough, Kimani said that already.
He thinks you're. Kimani said you're cute.
No. What? No, Jesus Christ, no. You said I have a friend who would think you're cute.
Well, I mean, I was talking to him and I told him, so it's not surprising that he would say that.
I mean, like.
So, you see that youth here? Yeah, the youth here. So, I'm going to prank him. I make one of my friend them forward, she named Gia. And then if you remember her, I'm going to make you forward and tell him so she like him. I want a little YouTuber, you see it, him always have video. Like, my video them always help me out and thing. If I do YouTube, I'm going to say I'm going to bust him with little subscribers. I'm going to pin him YouTube link in the comments, so he might follow and thing, you see it. You want to tell the people when you text along? You want to tell them?
I know this was going to happen, you know. Sorry, then. Sorry.
You want to tell them when you're supposed to come 2 o'clock and 5 o'clock now?
It's not 5 o'clock first and foremost. I had a business meeting. That's the first thing.
I don't mean to tell the people.
I had a business meeting. That is why it took so long. Okay? The meeting go on over.
Go upstairs,
2
go
hours.
upstairs, go upstairs. You know what I call you here for today?
What?
Can you guess? What's I guess?
Is it some prank? I'm gonna have to call somebody and prank them or something. Is that no? Is that? I can't. Is that?
Dog, you're such a good actor, bro. Like I need you for this. So boom, me link one youth where him always available. You see it, like him not have no whole heap of subscribers. You see it, and him always available. Like him want him to record something for me, him forward. And many of you give him the money. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prank him and I'm gonna put like him link and things so him can get like subscribers and things. So what you are gonna do? You know what I gotta do?
No, what am I going
Come
to
on,
do?
guess. Come on. Come, you're a smart girl. What you
If
gonna
call him and tell him some bull crap.
You gotta tell him say.
Tell the people them head.
Exactly, yeah.
Jesus. So how would I have even got this number?
Alright, so I link your dog yesterday, right? And me that tell him say, yo, when I'm friend him did say she like you, you see me? Set me set up the dog for failure. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna send him like who did say did like you. So I'm gonna send him like a video we did to show him say I saw your look.
Yeah.
You see me? Dog I say Bomba is a cute browning.
I don't think your friends like you.
But what you know, like you're such a good actor, bro. Like you're a star. We needed
I
you.
don't know what you're talking about.
Just chill, man. Just chill.
What the man name? What him name?
Him name Ryan.
What
Is
name?
it? Ryan, him name. I'm always
Ryan?
yeah. I'm always a record for me and them thing there. Well, I'm gonna catch this. Yeah, I'm zooming like. Yeah, Ryan. I your topic. Anyways, call your boyfriend.
Don't do that. I didn't recognize the number a while ago. I was. Oh, it's not your number. Okay, I was wondering because I got your number from Kimani, so I saved it. So that's why I was wondering who was calling. So the reason I'm calling you is because, like I said, I spoke to Kimani about maybe 4 days ago.
Wait, you have WhatsApp?
Yeah, I have WhatsApp.
You have service now?
No, not right now.
Oh, people create them, that's why.
Oh, alright. I'll just call you back then. I'll call you on your number.
Alright.
Alright. I had spoken to Kimani maybe about 4 days ago. And I asked for your number because I saw you in one of the videos. Is that okay?
That's what.
The reason I'm calling is because, like, I thought you were really funny, and I wanted to know if you had a girlfriend.
No.
Okay, because I don't want mash up nobody relationship.
Okay. Fine. So,
So, how long have you been on YouTube?
I really don't even know what to answer that. I came on the basis of the help out. And for myself, it's for fun. But not really any damage doing it.
Oh, so you kind of just helping out Kimani then?
Yeah.
Okay, well that's fine. The videos that I did see you in though, it was really funny. Like you helped the videos a lot. So that's what I was explaining to Kimani, and I kind of just wanted to say that to you myself.
And hopefully, one day when I do start making my own, it's the same.
Oh, I can hardly hear you.
Hopefully, when I start making my own, it's the same.
Oh, well, I'm sure that would be the case. How old are you, by the way?
20.
How old are you?
20.
Okay, I'm 22, so yep. I'm 20.
Okay.
But Kimani told me that you were 19 though. That's why I was kind of hesitant to call.
Came on, know me from about, I don't even remember how long, but a couple months well, for my birthday time, and my friend. They probably wouldn't know.
Oh, okay. Did you turn 20 this year then?
Yeah,
Oh, when's your birthday?
April.
April. Okay. Do you know what sign that makes you?
Yeah,
Okay. I'm a Pisces.
and that would be in what, December, around here?
No, Pisces are in March.
March.
Yeah.
Right before me then.
Yeah, exactly. But basically the only reason I hope this is not like uncomfortable for you or anything.
No, it's all decent.
I can hardly hear you actually.
You're so indecent, so no, it's not awkward.
Okay. Like I said, I was just calling to like commend you on your videos, and cause you help Kimani, and I've known Kimani for a long time, so I know that, you know, when he can, like, all the help he can get would be good.
I'm lazy still enough. Like, I've been telling him to make more videos a week, but you know, honestly.
I wouldn't say he's lazy. He doesn't always get like ready help. So, I mean, I don't know. Maybe he is kind of lazy. I never really thought about that.
You know, hopefully make a diet soon, because in my views, you just need to freaking get uncomfortable being uncomfortable.
Yeah, I get you.
I understand that means.
You know, he's almost to 100 subscribers, so he'll soon have his plaque and everything.
That's actually in business, honestly. You should not work a long time, like, you should not make at least 2 videos a week or 3.
How many videos do you do a week?
I don't. It's like you're not hearing me answer.
Wait, you saying you don't make any videos?
I help him, right? I move around a lot, so I don't really get the stuff to make videos. So I don't really make videos.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, when you start making videos, I don't have a problem helping you.
Sure, I can let you know. Wait, do you think I have an idea of how Kimani is? I know I'm prank when I'm prank.
No, I'm not even near Kimani.
The health about we will if I'm prank, you know, so I mean, you know how it goes.
I mean, I understand what you're saying because I've seen his pranks before on YouTube, but no, I'm at home. I literally just got his number from him. Sorry, got your number from him.
Okay.
Well, when do you plan to start making YouTube videos?
I don't know, probably, so, alright, let's see. Come on in the near me now. Him live wherever I live. He lives basically 5 minutes, 10 minutes away from him. So when I say I come to my house, I live alone. Like, whatever.
Oh, the phone's really low. Could you talk up? I can hardly hear you actually.
I live alone in my house, basically.
Mhm.
So the Wi-Fi is coming the 13th of this month, so probably 2 weeks after that day or so. I'll try to make one.
Okay. All right. Well, when you start making them like on a regular basis, I could just come to your house and we could do them.
Well, yeah, sure. If the money not up, he himself say more forward up here from sure one.
Oh. And you say you don't have a girlfriend, right?
Nope. Single.
Okay, that's good. All right.
Single? Wait. Good for a single?
Yeah, it's
What?
good that you're single.
Jesus Christ.
I mean, I'm single too, so that's why I'm asking.
Okay.
Well, now that I have your number, you don't mind like texting or anything like that, do you?
No, I don't. But you kind of don't have service no one. It's kind of weird thing, isn't it?
I know. I meant I would put on service so I could text you. Like later.
So wait, if you don't have any service,
Mhm.
and you get the number from Kimani just now,
No, I got the number from Kimani about 4 days ago.
just to try add up in the cause like we know how Kimani work, we don't know how financial family.
It's not a prank. I literally was speaking to him about 4 days ago, and I was talking about the video, the one with the crutches, and I asked him for your number, and he gave it to me, and then I asked him if it was okay for me to call you, because I didn't want to like make you uncomfortable or anything, and he said I should call you, so that's why.
Alright.
But
I don't mind that.
okay, so probably around later in the night I'll put on service and then I'll text you.
You don't have Wi-Fi at all?
Not right now, the Wi-Fi is not working. But
Oh.
there's someone coming, so it should be back on by tomorrow.
You using Flow?
Yeah, Flo.
Trust me that now comes to know.
I'll just have to wait it out.
So, well, I was using the neighbor directly beside of me, and lightning damage came on, and it's been a week.
Oh, that's crazy. I don't even know why ours went out. Not to make you like uncomfortable or anything, but I do think you're cute.
Weird enough, Kimani said that already.
He thinks you're. Kimani said you're cute.
No, what? No, Jesus Christ, no. You said, I have a friend who would think you're cute.
Well, I mean, I was talking to him and I told him, so it's not surprising that he would say that.
I mean, I don't know. I think it's normal, I guess.
Okay, well, I just wanted to tell you, because you're probably wondering, like, why I want to talk to you and all that.
No, Kimani already gave me a heads up about 2 days ago. So
Oh, he
not worried.
texted you?
He gave me a heads up. He didn't directly tell me what was going to happen, but he gave me a heads up.
I told him not to tell you anything. That's so embarrassing.
The thing is, he didn't say anyone would call me, anyone would like, he didn't say anything regarding to anyone needing to reach out or anything like that. He just said, a friend thought you were cute, and just move on. And so from that scene, we get to say, okay. And then today now, him say, somebody got close. The person, what's your number? So we have to put this together.
Oh, okay, well, I guess that's not so bad then. Well, like I said, I'll text you later and just let me know when you start doing your videos so like we can link up and all that.
Sure, no problem.
Alright, well, take care.
Alright.
Bye.
Later.
hate you.
Kill him, then he might get some pum pum.
I hate you, Kimani.
Yeah, but he was like, is this a prank? Yes,
He was
nigga.
like, I know Kimani, you know. I know I've helped him with pranks. And it's just like,
Oh my
and then he start
God.
put 2 and 2 together, and I was like, so if you're not a service, oh, you text Kim.
And then me start Fred fear at one point, you know, because I'm like, oh shit, he might try and match.
Exactly.
That was too funny, dog. But him kind of believes still. Oh God, Ryan, the girl not into you. Fuck you.
Jesus Christ, I didn't even know what to say. I already apologized in advance. I'll apologize again. Ryan, I don't know who you are. I don't know what you look like. I just got a number and say, call this person.
Yeah.
This is what they do. So you know me have to help out my bridging.
They don't do it. Oh God.
I'm sorry. I'm so
Alright.
sorry. Guys,
Yeah.
I am almost sure you guys must have enjoyed this video. This
Exactly.
was hilarious. Hilarious to watch, I'm sure, and hilarious to me.
And you gonna see more.
Of course, you're going to see more from Kimani. Big him up every time. If you guys want, you can give me a follow on Instagram at GIABAYLEY. And you know I have to tell you guys, like, subscribe, comment,
Oh wait.
share. Like, subscribe, comment, share, buy the merch. You know you have to do that. Share on all platforms, share with your friends, talk about it, and let's get Kimani to 100k subscribers. So don't forget to subscribe to the videos, guys. Thank you for watching. Big up yourself.